Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to talk about direct and indirect speech that we call reported speech as well. So many students face the problem and they are confused and they are puzzled with the rules. But here, I'm going to talk about direct and indirect speech in your own language, and in very simple way, you will get to know how to solve these kind of questions and how to change direct to indirect speech. So let me start. uh, First of all, you will have to understand that to pass any message or information, we have two ways to pass any information or message. So first is direct method or direct speech, we can say. Second is indirect method or indirect speech. We can pass any information to somebody with two ways. First is direct, second is indirect. For example, here you can see this picture. It is about yesterday, and there are two persons, Rahul and Emma. They are talking, and Emma is asking Rahul, what are you doing on Sunday? So Rahul said, I'm going to purchase a new car. It is their conversation. So this information is got by Emma. Emma got this information, and today she was walking with Dolly, and she was talking with Dolly about Rahul, and the same information that Emma got from Rahul is passing to Dolly. And Emma said, Emma is passing that information. Rahul said to me, Emma is talking to Dolly. Rahul said to me, I'm going to purchase a new car. So the same words which were said by Rahul yesterday, I'm going to purchase a new car, same words she told to Dolly, and she passed it to Dolly. That is direct speech. Mean to say, whenever anybody quotes the exact words said by someone, that is called direct speech. So here we have used these commas, inverted commas, comma, then inverted commas, and in the end we have closed inverted commas. It means we have quoted. Generally we write some quotations which are in the same form. Same way, this character Emma is quoting the words of Rahul, so that's why she is using quoted or inverted commas. So you got to know what is direct speech. Now we come to know what indirect speech. What is indirect speech? Now we have again two characters, Rahul and Emma. They were talking yesterday, and Emma was asking, what are you doing on Sunday? So same answer, Rahul said, I'm going to purchase a new car. So now Emma and Dolly today, they are both together, and same message Emma is conveying to Dolly what Rahul said. And this time she is using indirect speech, indirect way. So Emma is reporting that Rahul told me that he was going to purchase a new car. Now she didn't use the exact words said by Rahul. She changed it. She used third person pronoun because she is talking about any third person. She is not talking about Dolly. She is not talking about herself. She is talking about Rahul. That is third person. So third person is male. Third person is male. So that's why he used he. And it was yesterday's talk. So she used was going to purchase a new car. So this is indirect speech. Uh, we whenever we change pronouns and tense form and adjectives or adverbs, and we remove commas as well. We remove commas because we are not quoting the exact words said by someone. And another change is told. If it is given in the direct method said to, then we change it to told. So that is indirect method. So now we change direct to indirect speech. We have some sentences here and we will try to change them in indirect speech. Before solving that, you will have to understand that, as I told you, we change present to past. Like if we have been given first verb form, then it will be changed to second, is are to was were, has have to had, second verb form to had plus third verb form. Same way, modal verbs you will have to change can to could, may to might, will to would, shall to should, must to had to. So you will have to keep in mind these are only applicable if we have been given second verb form in the starting, means said, or any other verb form that is in past form. That time we will have to change. Otherwise, our reporting clause will stay in present. And if we are dealing with the general facts or universal truths, that are exceptional cases that we will discuss as well. First of all, we try to solve these simple ones. She said, I will attend the meeting tomorrow. It is direct speech. In indirect, she said, we haven't changed to told because we have only one form, that is said. So she said, then remove commas, and in place of commas we have used that. She said that I will, who is I here? I is she, so that's why she. She will to past form would attend the meeting. Tomorrow will change to the next day or the following day. I repeat it again. She said, remove commas, then that I will attend. Who is I here? She. So we have used she. Will, it is future verb form and it will change to past, that is will to would. Would attend the meeting tomorrow, and we are talking about past. So tomorrow means the next day. The meeting next day. That's all. Second, I have already completed my work. I have already completed my homework, he said. If we have written this reporting clause in the starting or in the end, that doesn't change its meaning, or this is not a big deal. We can use it in the starting as well. So uh, he said that remove commas. We have removed commas and we have put that. Then I have already, who's I here? Here I is he. He has have to past, had already completed my homework. It means we are talking about he, so it means his homework, not my here. That we will have to understand who is I here, and if you have been given you, who is you here, accordingly you will have to change the pronouns. Then third sentence, we are going to visit our grandparents next weekend, they announced. The answer is they announced. Then we have changed, we have removed commas and we have put that again. We, who are we here? Actually, they announced, they are speaking something, so we are they. So we have used they is our to past verb form. They were going to visit our grandparents, mean to say their grandparents, so that's why their grandparents the following weekend. Next weekend means the following weekend. That's all. Next, I can't believe I passed the exam, she exclaimed. She exclaimed, it is also in past form, remove commas. She exclaimed, I can't believe I passed the exam. It's exclamatory, it means they have exclaimed it with surprise. So we have used this word. She exclaimed with surprise. Remove comma that. I mean to say who is I here? She. She can to could. So she couldn't believe. She couldn't believe. Again I, that is she. She had passed the exam. So here you will have to understand one thing. We are removing commas and we are putting that in place of that, and we are changing pronouns, and we are understanding who is he, who is I, who you. We are understanding pronouns and accordingly we are changing it. And our verb forms, mostly our verb forms are in past verb form. So what are the verb forms in commas? They are in present and we are changing into past verb forms. We are changing pronouns, we are changing verb forms, and we are changing adjectives or verbs, and we are removing quarter commas or inverted commas. Now if we talk about interrogative sentences in direct and indirect speech, we have to change in another way. There are some changes, like if you can see it on the screen. uh, First sentence, she asked, are you coming to the party? This is interrogative, someone is asking, she is asking, so she asked. If you have been given said to, then change it to asked. She asked. Then we haven't used that here. Note it. In interrogative you will have to use if the question is yes or no question answers. Then we have changed quarter commas and we have used if then change pronoun. Don't make a mistake, don't go to change the verb form first, because you will have to make it into assertive form. Assertive sentence is just a simple sentence which passes information, and we use noun or pronoun first in assertive sentence and then verb form. That you will have to understand. She asked, remove commas, if, then change pronoun. Who is you? She asked, are you coming? It means she asking me. So I, if I, present to past the same, I was coming to the party. That's it, in the end, full stop. Second, he asks, did you finish your homework? Again same, he asked, remove commas and put if. You, who are you here? He is asking me if I did, it is second verb form. So as I told you already, if you have been given did or second verb form, then you will have to use had. Then first verb form, had finished your homework means my homework. That's it. Then third sentence, where is the nearest grocery store? She inquired. And now there is a change. If you have been given these kind of words, wh words, where, why, when, then you need not to use if for that or any other word. Just to use the same word where. Any other wh word, if you have been given, then use the same. She inquired where, then the subject is the nearest grocery store. Where the nearest grocery store is to was. That's it. So in next video we are going to solve some more exercises regarding reported speech.